Imagine that you click on a YouTube video, watch it for 30 seconds, and then you get paid. I just want you to look at all of these YouTube videos right here for 30 seconds, and you'll get paid. Here are some of the payment proofs as you can see here. $10, $50, $20, $5, and they're literally just pages and pages of real payment proofs. Now, I'm very excited to tell you about these 5 great websites to get paid by simply watching YouTube videos. Here is how much you can make from this. If you start with just one video website, you can make about $18 per hour. If you work on 3 websites at the same time, you can make $50. You can make up to $130 an hour by watching videos on 5 different websites. So if you want to make the most money, you need to watch until the end and learn about all 5 of these websites. Don't worry, all of these websites are 100% real, free to join, and available everywhere. Also, don't forget that I'll give you a special bonus tip that will allow you to earn double or even triple more money compared to other people. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Now, before we start the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the new videos. First of all, I'm going to assume that if you're watching this video, you already have a YouTube account. Say, for example, you go to the search bar and typing the keyword winter travel. You'll be able to find a lot of videos that you can watch as usual, but I want to show you 5 websites where you can watch simple YouTube videos like this one, and you could be making a lot of money online like all of these guys from different countries. So make sure you stay up to date and learn about all 5 of these websites before you try them out for yourself. So the first website that I want to show you today is right here in our screen. Later on, I'll post the link to this website, so don't miss out on that. You can see here they have over 700,000 members and have established since 2007. So you can basically earn money online by visiting various websites, conducting surveys, and most importantly watching videos, and over 20,000 payment already sent out to people from all countries in the world. If you want to join up for a free account, simply click on this button right here where it says sign up, and you'll be taken to this page as seen here. Sign up for free. Now you will enter your email address, confirm your email, create a password, and confirm your password, full name, and username. You can put whatever you want, including your gender. Just click here to choose male or female and your birth date. And right over here on this section that says country, you can see when I click on this down arrow, you can see that they are accepting people from all across the world. I'm just curious where you're coming from. Tell me in the comments section below so I can make more videos for your country in the future. Now from here, how did you hear about them? You could just type in YouTube and click on this, I'm not a robot. Then you may go read their privacy policies and terms and conditions before registering for a free account. And then you may simply watch a simple YouTube video just like this for about 30 seconds, sometimes 60 seconds. Now you'll get less money for a 30-second video and more money for a 60-second video. Now, what I usually do is just mute the video or turn off the volume because I just let it play in the background without actively watching it. So that's a very cool tip that you could also use. I just open up multiple tabs as you can see here. I'll just start one video and watch another one at the same time. So if you do that, you can basically make more money in much less time. One thing I do is watch different videos on both my phone and computer, which could also speed up the earning process. So from there, I'll tell you a few tricks you can use on YouTube to watch videos faster. As you can see here under the gear settings, when you click on this button, you can see under the playback speed that you can actually speed up these videos by double-clicking on 2 times the speed. Here you can see that when I press the play button, the video will actually move twice as fast. So if you do that, you can watch a 30-second video in just 15 seconds, which is basically half the time since the speed is doubled right now. Now, this is one of the best ways to make more money faster by just watching videos. Okay, so another thing I'd like to tell you is that you can actually turn down the quality of the video as well. As you can see here, it should be set to auto by default, but you can choose from 144p if you want to make sure it's on the lowest quality possible, which will save your data connection. If your internet connection is slow, that will save you more time. Also, just like I said before, the name of this website is ucubus.com. If you go to ucubus.com, you can now make money by just watching YouTube videos. Now, bucksinside.com is a second site where we can watch videos and make money. We can get paid every 10 seconds, as you can see here. I love this website because all you have to do to get paid is watch a very short clip that lasts only 10 seconds. Another thing I like about this site is that once you reach $2, you can get your money right away. When you get to $2, you can cash out and get your money. On their website, they show you the most recent 250 payments they made to people all over the world. As you can see, they accept people from all over the world. Check out all of these places. They are covering right now and every day day they get bigger. They are quite open about all of the payments they make to people. You could see all the usernames and flags of their nations here, and I'd like you to remark down below whether you see your country's flag directly on the screen, which must be interesting. So you can also see all your earnings in US dollars and all the payment methods such as AirTM, PayPal, and Payoneer. Look at these, all of these payment methods other than the recent payout. We can see that total earning. For example, Jokably, this guy right here, total earning is $860, which is amazing. Just by watching videos on one website, you can see that this guy has earned $1,670, $2,200, and even $5,700, which is crazy, and this is just from one website, which is bucksinside.com. Now make sure to keep watching to learn about all of these 5 websites before you go in and try out yourself. So if you want to sign up for a free account, all you have to do is click on the register button at the top, which will take you to the Bucks Inside registration form. You can put in any username you want, as well as your payments and login email addresses. In the referral section, you can just leave it blank because I'm not going to leave any referral links on my videos. I just wanted to tell you about this chance to help you make money online. If you like that, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and give a like in today's video. I really appreciate that, and I think you're incredible. Now you can choose US dollars or your own currency under currency, and you can pay with PayPal, Advance Cash, Perfect Money, or the Coinbase ATM, as you can see here. So for me, I definitely prefer PayPal Money. If you like PayPal Money as much as I do, leave a comment below and let me know. Now just type in your birth year, and at the very bottom, in this case, they want you to click on this icon. They just want to make sure you're not a robot. After that, you can just read the terms of service and click this button to agree to them. So click the button that says register. Now we'll go to fusioncash.net, which is the 3rd website. One very cool thing I want to tell you is that when you sign up for a free account, they do pay you. As you can see here, when you sign up for a free account, they give you a $5 sign-up bonus for free. Now all you have to do is click on this button where it says get $5, and you can sign up for a free account. Just type your username, email address, password, and country's zip code, then click the register button. One important thing to remember is to confirm your email address. Check your email for the link to verify your account. After you sign up for a free account, you can start making money by watching different videos. You can do different tasks, start downloading different mobile apps, or just play games or tell your friends about this website to make money. Okay, let's go to the next website, which is called irazoo.com. Again, there's no doubt that this company is real. On this website, you can get free gift cards and cash, and they have been giving out a lot of cash prizes to all of their members right on their website. They've been featured in Yahoo, CNN, The Penny Harder, and The Wall Street Journal. Here's how it mostly works. You can join this website for free and start watching videos and earning points right away. Eventually, you can turn the points into real money, like cash prizes or money in your PayPal account. You can get paid for watching videos online, watch entertaining videos, and earn easy points. Now from there, you can click on this button right here where it says Get Started, which will take you to this page where you can join using your Facebook account or just your email. Put in your email address, first name, last name, and password, and you can make a free account. So right off the bat, I want to show you what it looks like when you log into your account and go to the irazoo dashboard. That's what you're going to see, and here are a few tips so we can get some free points. When you're setting up your profile, you can answer a few questions, verify your email address, and upload your profile picture. And that's where we can get some free extra points as well. And then when you click on this button that says Reward Store, you'll choose your country. If you're from the United States, you can click on this button. If you are coming from Canada, click this button. If you are coming from any other country, click where it says any country. So the only way to get money out of this website is actually through PayPal. You can get PayPal money by simply watching videos. So let's go to the next website. AppNana is basically an app that you can get on either an iOS or an Android phone. For example, if you have an Android phone, you can go to the Google Play Store and search for AppNana free gift card to find the logo that looks like this. And this is where you can earn gift cards and earn cash by simply watching videos. So basically, this is a free app where we can watch different videos and earn nanas, get nanas points, and that's where we can convert your nanas into actual money or gift card. When we look at the reviews, we see that over 4.2 stars are given on average by about 500,000 people, which is pretty good for an app. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the following video.